Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I want to discuss the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles problem. Okay, so at first you should get ready everyone with your copies, and you have to practice it because easy questions are there. Clear? So I hope you got the syllabus and other things also. Your exam notice also you got it, so you should be careful, you should study seriously. Okay, but I am not getting your response properly, so that is the thing. So please, you should do the work properly, and even in doubt teachers are here, so you can ask to the teachers. That is the main thing. Clear or not? Okay, so now let's start everyone. See, first question is here. So that cos 60 degree equal to 1 minus tan square theta 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So that actually the question is not clear. The question is here like that: cos 60 degree equal to 1 minus tan square 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Clear? That is the question. So we can prove anyhow means like that. Suppose LHS to RHS, that one we can do it. Otherwise RHS to LHS, that one also we can do it. Okay, LHS to RHS. Okay, LHS to RHS, otherwise RHS to LHS, RHS to LHS, and another one LHS equal to RHS. Three things we can prove it. Okay, so first of all here what to do, sir? I am doing left hand side to right hand side, otherwise right hand side to left hand side to left hand side. That is better, because see that right hand side, that is big number, no, that big portion is there, so that's why always we will go to that big portion to the largest portion to the smallest portion. Okay, so that is the thing. So that's why at first we have to calculate the right hand side portion. The right hand side portion what, sir? 1 minus tan square 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, clear? So 1 minus tan 30 degree value what, sir? 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, 1 plus tan square 30 degree means 1 by root 3 whole square. Understood? Clear? Okay, now see, we have to calculate it, no? 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Understood? Clear? Okay, now here we are getting what, sir? Do calculation. LCM 3, so 3 minus 1, and here we are getting LCM 3 plus 1, so 3 will be cancelled, 3 will be cancelled. So 3 minus 1 means what? 2 by 4 means what, sir? 1 by 2. Clear? And 1 by 2 we are getting here. Now see, left hand side what, sir? Cos 60 degree, no? Cos 60 degree values are what? 1 by 2. Clear or not? So that is value of cos 60 degree. So we can write it, instead of half we can write what, sir? Cos 60 degree. Clear? Because cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so that is what? LHS. Clear? So that means proved. Understood or not? Means we are going right hand side to left hand side. Clear? Understood? Otherwise we can do it left hand side, we can prove it, means we can find the value, right hand side we can find the value. Similar after that just both sides will be equal, that also we can do it. Okay, clear? Next question what, sir? Next question number, yes, next question is telling here, see, I am just erasing. Find the value of tan 60 degree tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree. Okay, tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 30 degree. Okay, plus what, cos 60 degree into cos 30, cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree, plus sin 60 degree into sin 30. That is the question. Okay, we have to find out the value. See what to do, sir. Just put the values at first. Tan 60 degree what, sir? Root 3. Tan 30 degree, sir, 1 by root 3. So how, sir, we are writing these values? Only by the practice only. And if you practice 2-3 times, easily you can get the values. Tan 60 value, tan 30 value, sin 60, sin 30, easily you can get it. Okay, next see, 1 plus tan 60 means root 3 into tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Clear? Plus cos 60 means what, sir? Cos 60 means 1 by 2, cos 30 sir root 3 by 2. Okay, plus sin 60 sir root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Understood? So this one is the value. Now do calculation here. Root 3 we can cancel it, root 3 we can cancel it. Clear or not? So ultimately we are getting, sir, what? Numerator what, sir? LCM root 3, and here we are getting root 3 into root 3 what? Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1. Okay, and denominator, see, we are getting what? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means what? 2 only. Denominator we are getting. Understood? Plus, and here we are getting, sir, root 3 into 1, sir, root 3 by 4. 2 into 2, 4, plus here also root 3 by 4. Clear? Clear or not? Next, so 3 minus 1 means 2, and the root 3 will come in this position, no? In denominator, this denominator, and this denominator 2 was there. Okay, plus this portion, sir, see, denominator 4, that means LCM will be 4, and root 3 plus root 3 will be 2 root 3. Understood? Clear? So 2 will be cancelled. Okay, so that means we are getting here also 2 and 4 will be cancelled. 2 2 is 4. Clear? So ultimately we are getting what, sir? Ultimately we are getting 1 by root 3 plus here we are getting root 3 by 2. Understood this one? Up to this one clear? Next what, sir? Next we will do the LCM 2 root 3. LCM 2 root 3. So if we got the 2 root 3 LCM, 2 root 3 divided by root 3, we will get 2 only, plus 2 root 3 divided by 2, 2 will be cancelled, that means root 3 into root 3, 3 only. So that means we are getting what, sir? 5 by 2 root 3. Okay, 5 by 2 root 3. But one thing that, see, in denominator we are getting root 3. Okay, so in denominator root won't be there. Denominator, numerator it can come, but denominator root won't come. Okay, so that's why what to do, sir? Here 5 root 3 and 2 root 3 into root 3 means I am doing one thing, that since in denominator root 3 is there, so we are multiplying root 3 in numerator and denominator. Okay, so 5 2 by root 3 was there, and after multiplying we are getting, sir, root 3 in numerator 1 and denominator also another 1. Okay, so that means we are getting what, sir? 5 root 3, and denominator we are getting root 3 into root 3, 3 into 2, 6. That means 5 root 3 by 6. That is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? So that is the required value. Okay, clear? Next question says, see, if P 60 degree, Q 30 degree, find the value of sin P cos Q plus cos P sin Q. Clear? Clear or not? P60, Q30. Just put the values of P and Q in the question, so you will get the easily the values, and after that calculation, next you will get the required value. Okay, clear? So see, I am writing here sin P into cos Q plus cos P into sin Q. That is the question, sin P cos Q plus cos P sin Q. Okay, where P also given and Q also given. P equal to what, sir? 60 degree and Q 30 degree. That one given in the question. Okay, clear? So now we find out the values. Just put it. So sin P means what, sir? 60 degree into cos Q cos 30 degree plus cos P cos 60 degree into sin Q 30 degree. Okay, sin 60 means root 3 by 2 into cos 30 also root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 degree 1 by 2 into sin 30 also 1 by 2. Okay, at first put the values, after that do the calculation here. So we are getting what? 2 into 2 4 and root 3 into root 3 3 plus similarly this side also we are getting 2 to the 4 and numerator we are getting, sir, 1 by 4. Okay, so now see the denominator same, so LCM will be 4 and numerator will be 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 means what, sir? 4 by 4 and 4 by 4 means 1 only. Okay, that is the required value. Clear or not? Understood? Next question is telling here sin a 20 degree, find the value of, if sin a 20 only a given here 20 degree, then find the value of 16 sin 3a by 2 cos 3a plus 5 tan 2a plus 5 degree minus 3 cot square 3a. The same way we will do it like this problem. Okay, just we'll put the values of angle A. Okay, so see, question is here a equal to 20, no? Here given 16 sin 3a. I am writing here 16 sin 3a by 2 into cos 3a. Okay, plus 5 tan 2a plus 5 degree minus 3 cot square 3a. That is the question. 16 sin 3a by 2, okay, into cos 3a plus 5 tan 2a plus 5 degree minus 3 cot square 3a. That is the question. So a was what, sir? A given in the question 20 degree. Just put it 16 sin 3a, so 3 into 20 degree by 2, okay, into cos 3 into 20 degree. Direct also we can do it, no problem, that one. For understanding I am writing that one. You can, if you understood that one, that is better, no? Just that's why I am writing at first the values, after that we will do the cancellation. Next, 5 tan 2a plus 5. 2a plus 5 means 2 into 20 degree plus 5, okay, minus 3 cot square 3 into 20 degree. Okay, next see 2 and 20 we can cancel it, 10, that means 3 into 10 30 sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus 5 10 2 into 20 20 plus 20 into 2 40 plus 5 45 degree minus 3 cot square 60 degree 3 cot square 60 degree. That is the question. Okay, now put the value, sir. 16 sin 30 means, sir, what? Sin 30 means 1 by 2, cos 60 also 1 by 2. Okay, plus 5 10 45, sir, what? 10 45 1 minus 3 cot 60 sir 1 by root 3 and whole square was there, put it whole square here. Okay, next, so cancel it here. 2 to the 4 here, 4 and 16, that means 4 will come. So ultimately 4 we are getting here plus 5. Okay, minus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square means what, sir? 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 will be cancelled. That means 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Okay, 9 minus 1 equal to 8 we are getting. Clear or not? So that is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. Cot 60, no? Cot 60, yeah, cot 60 means 1 by root 3 only. Cot 60, yes, because tan 60 root 3, tan 60 degree root 3, so cot 60 degree will be 1 by root 3. Yes, it's okay, no problem that one. But here written in the question, yes, root 3 whole square. Why, sir? Because cot 60 not root 3, tan 60 degree root 3. This printing mistake. Okay, I hope clear this one. And sometimes you will get the wrong answer also from the book. Okay, so don't see like that answer. You just practice by yourself. Even in doubt you can ask me, no problem that one. Okay, next question, see, if theta is an acute angle, and root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta, then find the value of 4 tan square theta plus 1 by 2 sin square 3 theta minus 2 cos 3 theta. That is the question. Okay, so what to do, sir? Here I am little bit erasing. After that just I am doing. See, you can try also. Okay, you can try also. Okay, students, see, first question is given here, root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. So at first you have to write it, and any relation you will get it. At first find out that relation only. If you get the relation, you will put the values easily. Means at first we have to find out that values of theta equal to how much degree, that one we have to find out at first. Okay, so see, I am doing here, given the relation root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. Okay, clear? So that means I am writing here sin theta by cos theta. That cos theta I am bringing here in left hand side, that will be divide, and here 1 was there, so 1 by root 3. I can write it or not? Yeah, we can write it. Sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. This one understood? Okay, otherwise you can see that if you do the cross multiplication, sin theta into root 3 will be multiplied root 3 sin theta, and cos theta into 1 cos theta will come. Okay, so up to this one, sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. Next what, sir? Sin theta by cos theta means what, sir? Tan theta. Tan theta means, sir, 1 by root 3. Means that one what, sir? Tan 30 degree value of tan 30 degree. Okay, so ultimately what, sir? We are getting, sir, tan theta equal to tan 30 degree. That means now we will do what, sir? Tan and tan will be cancelled, so we will get, sir, theta equal to 30 degree. Clear? Tan theta equal to tan 30 degree, so theta equal to what, sir? 30 degree. Understood? Clear? Next this value, no, this value of theta will put it. Okay, now see, so 4 tan square theta plus 1 by 2 sin square 3 theta minus 2 cos 3 theta. That is the question. 4 tan square theta plus 1 by 2 sin square 3 theta minus 2 cos 3 theta. Okay, so what to do, sir? Here 4 tan square theta means what, sir? Theta 30 degree, put it, plus 1 by 2 sin square 3 theta means 3 into 30, 90 degree. Okay, minus 2 cos, here also 90 degree, because 3 theta, 3 into 30 degree, that means 90 degree we are getting. Okay, next, so 4 tan 30 means, sir, what, sir? Tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by 2 sin 90 degree means what, sir? Sin 90 degree means 1, so 1 square minus 2 cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree means what, sir? Cos 0 1 and cos 1, cos 0 degree 1, but cos 90 degree is what, sir? Cos 90 degree 0. Okay, so 0 degree, 0, cos 90 degree value, how much, so 0. Clear? Okay, so now I am getting, sir, what, sir? 4 into 1 by 3, okay, plus 1 by 2, 1 square means 1 only, so no need to write it, and this portion 0, just leave it. So that means I am getting here, 4 into 1 by 3 means 4 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, do LCM. So if we do the LCM, we will get what, sir? 6, and here we will get 2 4 8, and here 3, that means 11 by 6, and 11 by 6 means we can convert into the mixed fraction. So 6 1 is 6, 5 by 6, 1 5 by 6, that is the answer. Clear? Easy or hard? Not hard. So you can do it easily. You have to practice it. Just put the values. Okay, and if you don't know the table, just make the table properly 2 times 3 times, then you can get it the values also, and practice examples. If you practice examples, no, just you can get the values also easily. Okay, clear? So I hope clear, everyone. So you have to practice it. So all examples I am giving, all examples you have to practice it and show me. All examples you have to practice and show me. Clear? Practice and show me. Understood? All examples you have to practice it and show me. That is your work. Clear? I hope clear, and even doubt you inform me, I will help you again. Understood, everyone? So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.